always remember that you're the creator of your own life. Ikaw ang magde-determine kung kailan ka magiging successful. Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong and we have a question. What are the habits that you need to give up in order to succeed? Because there's a lot of people talagang gustong-gusto nilang maging successful sa buhay. It's just that they're asking, ano nga ba yung pagiging tamang tao for them to be able to succeed? And for me, number one, you need to give up not dreaming at all and negative thinking. Kasi may mga tao that before pa silang mangarap or before pa sila mag-take ng chance sa ladder of success, sila na mismo nagja-judge sa sarili nila na ay, hindi mo kakayanin yan. O kaya ay, may assumption ako na hindi nga nakaya ng kapitbahay, baka hindi ko rin makaya. So, alam nyo ba that those negativity, minsan hindi nanggagaling sa labas. Minsan nanggagaling pa siya sa loob, sa atin mismo. And I wanna remind everyone, if you wanna succeed, please be your number one supporter in your dreams. Number two, give up of having your identity na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa success mo. Kasi may mga iba na sasabihin na, ay, introvert kasi ako, ay, mahiyain kasi ako, ay, ano kasi, dati akong ganito kaya shy type ako. Well, you know, if you tie yourself with a certain characteristic, hindi siya nagiging okay. Dahil hindi mo na binigyan yung sarili mo ng chance to recreate yourself once more. Kaya you need to always know na kaya mong baguhin palagi yung pagkatao mo, personality mo, no? Imbis na sabihin mo na, I'm a shy person, tell yourself that I'm a leader. O tell yourself na, I am this person na kaya makapag-build ng huge empire. I've experienced that myself. Nung time na hindi pa ako ganon na, you know, nagiging somehow bountiful sa buhay. Yung talagang bitin-bitin pa yung cash flow. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, I think I cannot be a leader kasi mahiyain ako. Because I was an orphan, yung mga ganon. I'm so shy about the world, for the world to know, kasi parang may pagkukulang. Before, ganun ako mag-isip. That was my thinking. But nung challenge ko siya, and a mentor also told me na you can recreate your life. Doon ko unti-unti sinasabihan yung sarili ko sa mirror na you are a leader, you are very kind, you're very blessed, you're a great speaker. Yung mga alam kong hindi ko nakukuha at hindi ko nagagawa, yun yung lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko. So it takes you telling yourself, mentoring yourself, and having that mantra to yourself, yun yung mag-recreate ng identity mo. So be careful of your thoughts, kasi yan yung nagmamanifest. And be careful of how you think about yourself. Be mindful about that. Because that will be your reality. But then again, today, you can recreate yourself once again into a new identity that is the identity of success. And number three, you need to let go of the thinking of other people. Because you know, people will just say these things about you. Depende kung ano yung tanggap ng utak nila. Ask the successful people, sasabihin nila, oh, kaya mo rin maging successful. But ask the unsuccessful people, sasabihin nila, ay, mahirap yan. So always remember that what people say about you is the reflection of their own reality. So, feeling nila, since that's their reality, na hindi madaling maging successful, na parang it will take you 100 years para maging successful, if that's their reality, yun din yung sasabihin nila sa'yo, na, oy, 100 years bago ka maging successful. So, always remember that you're the creator of your own life. Ikaw ang magde-determine kung kailan ka magiging successful. That's why, let go of what other people are saying kasi that won't matter unless tinanggap mo siya sa'yo na yun ikaw. So then again, be so strong and have strength within you na kaya mong maging successful. This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light!